do you see a need to strengthen the startup ecosystem in India?
So yes, certainly. I mean, there is always a need to strengthen it further from what it is right now. But I must say that from where I started, I myself have been a startup guy for, I've done 6 startups in my lifetime. The next one that I wanted to do was an impact-driven startup. And Dr. Romesh Wadhwani, who is actually the one who's funding the entire foundation, came up and then, basically we talked about it, and he said, what is the best impact-driven startup that you can run than actually running the Wadhwani Foundation here in India? And I took it on from him. But yes, part of the reason that I took this on is because of the ecosystem in India that was very fledgling only 10 years back. Today, the ecosystem is, I would say, very well served. We have lots and lots of angel funds that are emerging. We have not too many local VCs, but there's plenty and more VCs that are global VCs that have taken a lot of interest in India. Tiger, SoftBank, you name it, all of them are here in India today. We have a very well-served ecosystem, even in terms of the number of platforms that are now available for startups to learn and educate themselves and also to get funded. There are accelerators that a number of different corporates have started, Google accelerators and the Microsofts of the world, and most organizations, large corporates have started their own accelerators to help out startups. We also have platforms such as Let's Venture, where it's a platform where startups and investors come into one single platform, learn from each other, figure out startups get an opportunity to demo their wares and pitch to the investors, and in a very collaborative way, multiple investors can go out and fund a particular startup. So I would say that it is very well served today, but of course there are multiple changes that are required in terms of policies and in terms of legal issues that startups face.